what I also mean is like keep in mind being that we also talking about tech, not just tech. We talking about tech and women today, but also the STEM field in general.
Yeah.
Certain positions or certain fields, they have a ceiling somewhere.
Yeah, definitely.
Like for example, if you go in engineering, you come out college, your engineering degree, you may make 60, 70, 80,000.
Nah, they coming out making 80 now, brother.
Say like whatever, they making 80. But you don't rise up unless you get like your P license, this, that. It's like it's a
certification.
Yeah, so it's like a max that you can go without the certification.
Yep.
And so we just want you to know that everybody who's watching, some things
into the Future Black podcast every Thursday, 8 p.m. Here on YouTube. We're streaming on YouTube currently, but we're going to be on other platforms moving forward and everything.
So with that being said, is every field learn what it takes to go to the next level.
Mm-hmm.
Like if you're in computers, this goes for men and women. Understand the concept of certificates. And you need this certificate, that's it, this license, that license. So when you talk about how many women in engineering that has their PE license.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Because that is a hard test.
That's an 8 hour, what is it, 8 hours? Yeah, it's an 8 hour test.
exam.
Like you never heard of a test.
I don't know. I don't know.
Used to be able to bring a whole cart of books to the bag. That's how heavy this exam is. They put a break in the middle of it.
Yes.
Because it's so extensive and intense.
And not only that, all our friends that's in engineering, I don't know no female that we know a lot of female sisters in the whole science that has that.
Oh, yeah,
I know a few more.
Yes.
The male friends that I know, I could name Phil.
Mm-hmm.
Phil, he was the former director of engineering at the city of Newark. I know a few brothers that have it.
Chris finished?
I think Chris Colt. Chris got it too.
Yeah, I think so,
yeah, so a bunch of our friends, male friends, have it. But it's to say, this is something you women need to start understanding.
Yeah.
When
as far as advancement and everything.
Yes.
Because you need to be able to sign off on documents.
Yes.
That's legally binding, to be able to do, particular jobs, contracts, and everything.
And that's the side of saying where they'll say pay gap. When it's like sometimes it's not a gender thing or such that it's this person has the license, so it warrants him to make 400 or 200,000. Say like 200,000. So whereas though if a bunch of them passed the exam and like they both took the exam, but if more men are passing it than the women, that plays a part on when you look at the data.
Yeah. I mean, and also the number of people who are actually taking it.
Yeah, like, because,
so, I mean, that definitely adds to the number or, the lack of representation.
Because we don't just want to throw out and be like, oh, the pay gap.